Right after my Davao trip, I'm about to explore the most underrated tourist destination in the Cordillera, Abra province.
Hi guys! So nandito ako ngayon sa Eton Centuries. Solo travel ulit tayo for today's adventure. And dadayuhin and explore natin ang Abra for 2 days dahil open na naman ang Kaparkan Falls. And as we all know, ang Kaparkan Falls ay nag-open lang tuwing tag-ulan. Samahan niyo ako explore ang Abra and i-take off ang Abra mismo na province.
From Manila, Abra is located 433 kilometers north and it would take you around 8 hours of travel. First stop, Pinsal Falls in Ilocos Sur.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway.
Ang Pinsal Falls ay matatagpuan sa dulang bahagi ng Santa Maria hangganan ng lalawigan ng Abra. Ang sikat na 85-foot waterfalls na ito ay tinatawag ding Twin Falls ng mga lokal dahil ipinapakita nito ang napakagandang cascading water na nahahati sa dalawa. Ito rin ang tinaguriang pinakamalaking falls sa Ilocos Sur. Second stop, Tangadan Tunnel in San Quintin, Abra. Ang 40 meters tunnel na ito ay itinayo noong 1934 at tumagal ng 2 taon para matapos. Ito ay isang popular landmark sa province ng Abra na ginawa ng American colonial government as part of a road connecting the provinces of Abra and Ilocos Sur. Third stop, Pantok Falls in San Quintin, Abra. Ang Pantok Falls ang unang talon sa Abra pagkatapos mong pumasok sa probinsya sa pamamagitan ng Tangadan Tunnel. Fourth stop, Victoria National Park in Bangued, Abra. Ang Casamata Hill National Park, na kilala rin bilang Victoria Park, ay isang pampublikong leisure park na matatagpuan sa munisipalidad ng Bangued sa lalawigan ng Abra. Matatagpuan sa tuktok ng Casamata Hill, ang park ng view deck kung saan matatanawan downtown ng Bangued na may Mount Banti gulong sa background. Ito ay tinuturing na isa sa pinakamataas na punto sa Bangued.
Pwede na to. Perfect! True.
Fifth stop, Tingalay Falls in San Marcial, San Isidro, Abra. Nakatago sa loob ng malalim na kagubatan ng San Isidro ang Tingalay Falls. Ito ay kinikilala for its majestic and unique formation of this natural beauty. And yes, hindi kailangan mag-hiking dito. Sixth stop, Leila's Loom Weaving Center in La Paz, Abra. Ang Abra ay ang bayan ng katutubong Itneg tribe na kilala hindi lamang sa natural na tina kundi pati na rin sa paghabi. Ang Leila's Loom Weaving Center ay isa lamang sa pinakamalaking supplier ng Abel sa Abra. Ang kanilang mga produkto ay hand-loom woven fabrics gaya ng binakol yardages at cantering yardages, tiniri at checkered na may iba't ibang disenyo at kombinasyon ng kulay. Gumagamit sila ng kapas o cotton bilang pangunahing material na ginagamit sa kalakalan at ang makinarya na ginagamit ay ang pedal loom o pangablan. Seven Stop Lusuvac Spring Resort in Lagayan, Abra. Ang Lusuvac Spring ay may malinaw at malamig na tubig na nagmumula sa mga bundok kung saan maaring lumungoy ang mga turista. Ito ay isang well-landscape resort at magandang lugar para sa mga picnic at bonding kasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ang tubig ay namumula sa ilalim ng lupa ng mga punong nakapalibot sa pool. Eighth and last stop of the day, Calaba Bridge in Bangued, Abra. Ang Calaba Bridge ay kasalukuyang pinakamahabang modular bridge na ginawa ng Wagner Biro. Ito ay may sukat na 900 meters na sumasakop sa ilog ng Abra.
All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed.
So yung mga tanong po na pwede pa rin po bang pumasok, nabakuran na ba, pwede bang maligo? Okay, nabakuran po siya. Pero pwede pa rin pumasok, may pintuan po siya. Pwede bang maligo? Pwede po. So meron pong part na paliguan, yung nakikita nyo po sa picture na parang legend, parang trademark na parang maliliit na terraces, doon po ang pupuntahan mo. So sa baba po hindi po pwede kasi may crack na po siya. Yung mga terraces po kasi niya parang asin, hindi po siya semento. Kapag napakan, malambot lang po siya. So siguro nung lindol po, nagkaroon po siya ng crack. Tapos pag makikita niyo po mamaya sa likod po ng Balete, meron pong landslide. Kaya po yung tinatawag naming Blue Lagoon, hindi pa po namin pinapapuntahan kasi malambot pa yung lupa. Dahil po sa landslide. Kaya siguro na tabunan na ng lupa yung Blue Lagoon. Pero sa taas po maganda naman po doon. Doon po talaga ang trademark ng pagkasi mga maliliit na terraces yung parang doon po pwede kayong maligo, pwede po kayong mag-picture.
Finally, our last stop for the whole trip and the highlight of our Abra tour, Caparcan Falls in Tineg, Abra.
Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? I wonder what's the like. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Ang Kaparkan Falls ay kilala rin bilang Mulawin Falls. Ito ay may sukat na humigit kumulang 1,000 meters ang taas. Ito ay literal na isang high terrace na falls na puno ng isang maliliit na basins. Ang tubig ng falls ay tuluyang umaagos pababa sa Tinig River.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on.
Last stop for today, Acosta Pansiteria. An Abra trip is incomplete without linadit or abrazo authentic Mickey. Ito ay isang noodle soup na gawa sa homemade noodles at ito ay sikat sa kabiserang bayan ng Abra ng Benguet.
I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just some.
Abra is one of the most underrated tourist destinations in the Cordillera. These are tourist spots in the province that remain out of the tourist radar. The beautiful Twin Falls, Pinsal Falls in Ilocos Sur. The most popular landmark in Abra, Tangadan Tunnel. The almost hidden waterfall in Abra, Pantok Falls. The overlooking highest point of Benguet, Victoria National Park. The beautiful Tigalay Falls. Musubak Spring Resort's clear cold waters. The 900-meter bridge, Calaba Bridge. The monster Hell and Bumpy ride to Kaparkan Falls. The beautiful road scenery of Abra. And the majestic water terraces of Kaparkan Falls are just some of the tourist spots you can visit in Abra. The best falls in the North Philippines so far. I hope you guys get a few ideas of how beautiful Abra province is, and I hope you'll add this on your next bucket list. Until the next adventure, bye!
The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every